Righto, here we are. Have your eye out. Anyway, this is, I don't know. It's Nergle Demon Prince. There you go. That's my face. There's another bloke that says that about his face. Anyway, it's here we are. Took me I nearly lost a kidney making this, but there you go. Demon Prince. What do you reckon? Went to the salute. Hello. Yeah, I'm filming. Oh, the entertainment's just arrived, so righto. Yes, I went to the salute, and it was tough going. I'm not used to sort of walking around looking that interested in stuff that I'm kind of interested in, trying to get interested, and kind of nerdy people, but they were harmless. They were nice people, yeah, and there were some real nice characters there. I bumped into some YouTubers. That was interesting. They were very nice. Anyway, thank you very much. What we can do. That's, I don't know what to call this. Ain't got a name. Maybe you can put it in the comments. Please subscribe and bang the bell. It helps. That's what people in the know tell me. Don't know if it does. Hopefully it does, and we can make some more of these. Okay. See you soon. Bye bye. What do you mean get off? frightening really, all these monsters. Well, you had a look before, and this is it after I did all the bits. As you could see, I made the wings myself out of a Warhammer, or years ago. I got that years ago. The Balrog, You Shall Not Pass, and there are the wings. I'm not really too sure if I'm allowed to do this sort of thing, but anyway, I can, so I do. And if they want to sue me, I can get Elon Musk to give us some backing. But there you go. All right, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. It helps. Okay, thanks. And here are the thing going round. It goes round. So enjoy the thing going round.